Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Kania, and I have a Sephora unboxing today. I did a little online shopping because I needed to restock some things. And then after I placed my order, I realized that I'm really low on my face cleanser, so I'm actually going to just go into the store and get that because I'm not changing it. Okay, so I have some new things, which actually I guess this isn't a restock. This is all new stuff, mostly new stuff. I'm going to start with the samples. I got the My Burberry blue, or blush. Sorry, My Burberry blush. It's pretty. I like Burberry. Just going to spray this on here. Because I'm about to go to bed, actually. Oh, that's nice. Nice and light. Put that there. Might wear that this weekend. Sauvage Parfum. Dior by Dior. This is a men's cologne. So I'm not going to spray that. Probably give that to my son. Oh, actually, might give that to my dad. Oof, the hair. Okay, and then I used my Point Perks, I think. Or no, I used the special code because every time, not every time, but a lot of times when they send you your emails showing you new stuff, they give you a little special code for something cute and free, some kind of mini. So I chose the Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution Luminous Modern Matte Long-Lasting Lipstick in Pillow Talk. I like her. I love her accents. I like her products. I have worn the concealer. I've been wearing the mascara because it lasted a whole lot longer than I thought. So I'm going to be restocking that for sure. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. It is so cute. And it's just a nice little mauve-y nude. It's pretty. I'll probably wear that. I might wear that to work tonight just to see how it goes. Or tomorrow, and maybe wear it this weekend with my stuff. Cute. I love her packaging. This rose gold is giving me so much life. I love, 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 love it. Okay, everything else is new. And this bottle was kind of open, but this is the Caudalie. Now, if you've been watching my channel, you know that Caudalie products work really well for my skin. I don't have a ton of their stuff, but every time I try something, I really like it. Their beauty elixir, I really like. I might have to just buy that one day just because I really like it. I do have their grape water, I think. Was that? No, that wasn't Caudalie. That was somebody else. Anyway, a few products. Their serums I've used in little samples. And I bought the eye cream, and I used that completely tubed out, completely smashed the tube, trying to get every drop out. That works really nicely. So this is the Vino Perfect Essence. And if you have been watching, you know that I'm more about skincare than makeup right now, or I have been for a while. And I have really kind of stepped up my game. And one of the things I've been wanting to try, I've been using a different essence that I have recently run out of, and I need a new one. So, oh, this is a glass bottle. Oh, I'm so excited. I was debating between this one and the fresh black tea essence, or the kombucha essence. That was like $20 more than this. So I'm trying this one. I hope I like it. It doesn't really have a scent that I can detect right now. It has a little bit of a scent. I think it's more because it's this line is made from it's derived from a lot of grape type. Or this line focuses more on, I think, grapes and how they give you antioxidants and help your skin or something like that. So I think there may be a hint of grape in there. I'm not sure. Okay, so the next thing is a toner that I got in one of the beauty boxes. And I really like the way it makes my skin feel after I use it. And I used the whole little sample, and I liked it. I liked it a lot. So I bought the big size, the regular size. And this is the Ren. to look at it because I don't know what the name of it. The Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. And it's just a toner. And my skin loves it. Loves it. It has a beautiful, healthy glow. It doesn't make my skin feel tight, and a little bit goes a long way. So I'm super excited. And this is certified clean skincare. No parabens, no sulfate detergent, mineral oil, petroleum, synthetic fragrance, synthetic colors, TEA, DEA, MIT, CMIT, propylene, glycol, silicones, PEGs, et al. Something like that. PEGs. I don't know. It doesn't have any of those bad things that are bad for your skin. Oh, and it's sealed. Oh, hold on. I did wear my glasses so that I could see these tiny little labels. And it's a pump. Oh, I love it. It's a little pump. So like when you go to Sephora and they have that makeup cleansing section where you put your samples on in front of the mirror, they have a little pump that goes down. You push this pump and it brings the stuff up. So that way you don't waste it. Ah, love. See, when you spend a little bit more, you get better packaging. And you get better quality products a lot of the times. I did actually restock my e.l.f. Nourishing Oil, which is only $10. I love that oil. It goes great with my fresh moisturizer. I'm not going to pause the video and go get that because it's not part of the Sephora haul. But anyway, I thought I'd mention that $6 or $10 oil goes great with my $46 moisturizer. Okay, this is also a new product. I am super excited about this. I wasn't super impressed with what I saw online based on the lady's lashes that I saw online. But because I'm using the Latisse and my eyelashes are just va-va-voom already, I thought I'd give it a try because I have liked a lot of her other products. And this is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna mascara. And it's called Because I'm Black. Because the color is black. I don't think anyone makes any other color of mascara nowadays. Some companies might, but this is the packaging. It's really pretty. I know my nails are so just raggedy. Ugh. I do not like having plain nails. I will tell you that. But anyway, that's it. You don't want to know how much this box costs for these 3 products that I actually purchased. I purchased 3 products. You do not want to know how much these cost. And maybe you do. Actually, this was $49. This was $23, $24. This was 20 something. I don't know. It was expensive. 36, maybe. I don't remember. Anyways, it was expensive box for 3 items. But everything, well, I know this one, I know the toner works well. I'm hoping that this works well. And one thing I love about shopping at Sephora is that if it doesn't work out for me, I can take it back and exchange it. And I'm not going to use all of it and then be like, oh yeah, it didn't work. Lies you tell. I think you have a time limit, obviously, but a little bit goes a long way with essences. And this one is a pour out. I wanted to try. I need to go to bed, truth be told, but I really need to wash my face with my new stuff because I'm having because I haven't been using my regular stuff. I haven't been toning. I haven't been using an essence, and my skin can tell, and it's not happy. So I can tell. I mean, there are places on my skin that are I have like little bumps. Not acne so much, but it feels like it's just not reacting well to something. So I needed to open this so I could use it. And this mascara, I'm totally going to wear tonight. So, to work. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, go Sephora. This is not a sponsored video. I always buy all my own products. I use my own money. And I had a tax refund, so I used some of those money that Uncle Sam gave me back that he took earlier last year. So anyway, that's it. Thank you again for watching. Go Bears. I'm a fan because that's where my heart is. Ride or die, win or lose. We need a new quarterback, but that's another story. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Have a great one. Peace.